Hi, welcome to the Terrace House. I'm Penny Del Castillo, the Director of InDesign International Interior Design Company. Come on in, I'm going to show you how to style an entry today. This is Asahi. Come on through. One of the endearing architectural features of a terrace house, which is also one of the greatest challenges, is the long, thin hallway as the entrance. In this particular location, we do have a skinny hallway, but with beautiful high ceilings, spectacular ceiling roses, huge cornices, lovely picture rails, gives us a lot of opportunity to do something quite fun. To complement our narrow passageway, I've selected a beautiful, authentic, antique piece, which is actually a Chinese money chest. It was used back in the day to transport gold and coin from bank to bank. It acts as a service board, a sideboard, and somewhere very practical for us to keep our keys, sunglasses, dog leashes, those sorts of things, but it looks spectacular in this space. Then on top of it, we've got a couple of clusters going on here. Our small cluster at the front, a little bit of character again, it's a very eclectic kind of styling. These are beautiful family heirlooms that were gifted to my grandfather during the Eastern Timor War. And then above that, we have a large Sven Connigan abstract art. Because we have high ceilings, and because there is, plenty of width in the hallway, we've gone for something rather large on this side, but on the reverse side, completely the opposite, taken 3 very small images so that it's not overwhelming. That way you get a nice yin and yang type balance. And in this instance, they're just 3 beautifully framed black and white images from Spain, some of my travels that I've had over the years. Back to the sideboard, fresh flowers and scented candles, always a must, particularly on point of arrival. The flowers I've selected to complement the artwork, and then the candle just sits below, scenting the room and bringing a beautiful fragrance through. It makes us want to stop and admire. The philosophy that if you can get your proportions right, you can almost get away with anything. Our entrance hall also acts as a bit of a gallery for the space. It gives me opportunity to showcase another piece of artwork that I love, a bit quirky, but again we've got a beautiful sized wall to place a large piece rather than a small piece. Big walls, big art, small walls, small art. That's one of the keys. I'm sure some of you will have questions, and I'm sure many of you have very different shape and style properties than the one that I've demonstrated to you today. I'd love to hear from you. I'd love to get some feedback to what you'd like me to talk about and what you'd like me to address, whether it's an entrance, a bedroom, a bathroom, a living room, on how I can suggest and assist you with your styling. Give me a buzz and contact me via the email address, which is info@indesigninternational.com.au. Thanks for dropping by. I hope that's been a little bit of inspiration for you. There are so many different ways that you can design and decorate and style each space, but hopefully some of these indicators will be a good direction for you as you're styling your own property. Thanks so much for joining us. See you next time.